My channel based strong motivation. Today I speak be fearless 2024 outside the bar cost to stand there though the storms keep raging. You have the trends. It takes courage to act. It takes courage to start over again. Somebody said that courage is going from failure to failure without showing when you have something you want to do. If you don't develop the course, life will move on you. And course and ambition requires that you flight of fear is one of those emotions that can stop people dead. Success and achievement. Fear can rear its ugly head in many ways to fear, but fear itself. You can be afraid of looking rebellious. You can afraid change competition. You can be afraid distraction. We are not always be born with cause. We are not. Maybe some of your fears are brought on by your own experience and has told you. Now some fears are valid like way alone its morning. If there is not fair bit of ignorance, once you learn to avoid that situation, you don't need the life basic ones can totally